Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. With the last video, I actually showed you guys my power stations that I created. However, I didn't get a chance to show you or demo to you guys what it can run, right? So today we're gonna do that. Yesterday I already charged up the battery to its full capacity, and today we're gonna do a couple tests on a couple items, and let's see how this thing does. All right, so first off, we got 3 items that we're gonna be running with this thing, okay? And we're gonna see if it can this thing run. This is supposed to be 5,000. It can run up to 5,000 watts. So that's the light, that like by the nightstand. And then I got the hair blower, hair dryer, whatever you call it, and then we have this big air compressor. So I don't know yet. So but right now, as you can see, the battery is fully charged, and we're gonna try one by one, and we're gonna see if the noise from the generator, from the power inverter, to see if it make any noise. Okay, so you're gonna see from here. I'm gonna change it to this one where you can see the output. Let's try it. Let's see if I can turn on the lights right now and see if there is. All right, go down. You should see some output. All right, they're like what, 0.2 kilowatts. Let's see if I turn on the hair dryer together. It's 0.8 kilowatts. Right? Can you hear the fan noise? It's starting to from the inverter, right? So let's see. Now let's turn off the lights, right? And now let's turn on the inverter. Not the inverter. This one is by itself. This one is, let's see. 1, 2, 3. It says out of battery, faulty, cannot run. Earlier, it got like the inverter shuts off. It says some kind of faulty code 14, but let's try it again. One more time. It says overload. All right, so the second attempt failed. So I unplugged the hair blower and the light, and let's see if it can run. This will be third time. Alright guys, so after 3 tries, this compressor, this power station cannot run this compressor. You can see this compressor. Look at the wire gauge. It's huge. I don't know, like, it's big. It doesn't have much information over here, but all I know is that these are the parts number, and over here, but it started it, and for maybe about 5 to 8 seconds, and then it stopped running. Okay, here is the inverter model, POW-LV M 3.5K, and then dash 48 volts. Oh, maybe this model is 3.5K, not 5K. If it's 3.5, then maybe that's it. That's why it couldn't run it. But it has no issues running the light and this one. Now we're gonna try to see if it can run the lights together with that, right? Okay, turn on the lights. Okay, so let's go. We see the output. Okay, 0.2. And then we turn on this one. 0.8. That's low. And if I turn on to high, you can see it's gonna go up higher. 1.85 kilowatts. And if you can hear the fan noise going on already over here. Yeah, both of the fans are on at 1.8 kilowatts. Let's see if there's any other. Output load 13.9 amp, 1.6 kilowatts. Temperature inverter 31, 32 Celsius. It doesn't feel hot from the outside. .5 kilowatts. So this is at 48 volts, 3.5 kilowatts. Yep. So, kind of disappointed that it couldn't run the compressor, but I think this compressor is way too big, and this inverter is only 3.5 kilowatts. So maybe that's why I couldn't even run it. Like I've shown the wire itself, it's really big. But overall, it can run like the light and the hair blower, no issue. So yeah, so that's the test of it. I wish it could run that one, but maybe something smaller it'll run, but that thing is just way too big. I don't know. So did any of you guys have the same system, and were you guys able to run it, the compressor? It did start it for about 5 to 8 seconds, but then the inverter just shuts down and says it's a faulty number 14. So, but yeah, so this test, at least we get to know that it can't run the compressor. So anything under 3.5 kilowatt, it should have no issues. But you know, don't run up to the max. You know, you maybe 80% of it already. So yeah, so guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any suggestions, any comments, feel free to leave them below. But other than that, be safe. Till next time. All right, guys. So I'm trying to look for the same inverter that I have, but maybe the one that I have is a little bit older model. I don't see that style anymore. They do have it on their like the wallpaper, the design, like right here. You can see it's right here. But when I scroll down, I see all of them. They're like more like newer style. So if you're looking for the same inverter like this, you can check out the Amazon. They have a bunch of them too. And this one too, if I want, I can connect it. I can get this Wi-Fi dongle, and then I can just connect it to the smartphone, and I can see all the information there. And this one right here, this is a 24 volt DC to 120 right here, and 3,200 watt solar inverter. No, not bad right here too. But if this is something, if you want to run 24 volts, the one I have is 48. So this is good right here, $700. 5,000 watt solar inverter right here, 5 kilowatt off-grid hybrid inverter, really nice. But this one is 700, so I only bought mine for 300 off of Facebook Marketplace. So they do have many different style, guys. So depending on what your needs are, you might want to check this out too. This one's $649 right here too, not bad at all. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.